Hello, Internet audience. We are going to step through some changes and upgrades to a project called Python Console Game version 2, color changes. So when we run the program currently, as it stands now in this video, the code over here on the left is very colorful, but that's the code window, and that is not what the customers or the users see. This is just for us developers and coders in this class. But out here in the real world, where people see the program's interface, it's white text on a black background where they can move this mouse emoji around. Let's add some nice color to that. So as you skim this code that you did not write, but you're understanding it because of its nice white space, its nice hashtag comments, its good use of variable and constant names that are self-explanatory, like board width. And you come into the area where you just sense it has to do with the color. Line numbers 27 through 45. Those cannot easily be changed because that's the whole set of colors that Replit allows, and you can't add more crayon colors than this set of 7 or 8 colors. Black, red, green, yellow, blue, purple, cyan, and white. That's it. And then the background versions of those with the B as part of the name. These are the numbers in the 40s, whereas the foreground was the numbers in the 30s in a deep down behind the scenes way that a computer knows what color the text should be on a screen like this. Well, so passing over that section, but making note of the spelling of cyan and any other words that you wouldn't know how to spell, I come down here to line numbers 48 through 50. This is an area where Mr. Minnick made things up. So I made up white on black, and I set it equal to white plus black background. Black on white means black text on a white background, and white on blue is white text on a blue background. If you want to use any of those 3 color combinations that I created, then come down, everybody, especially Evan, come down to line 70, where you see white on black on line 70 is linked in a way to line 48, white on black. Well, you could always change this then. Instead of white on black, you could do white on blue. Which I already had that on line 71. So let's change it to white on red. But it's got to be uppercase, red, R-E-D. Why? Because up on line number, Evan, on line number 29, red is uppercase. And you need to be consistent, and uppercase and lowercase are very different in a coding environment typically. Now that I've changed line number 70 to white on red and I run the program, I get an error message. Because it says, as you can read here, white on red is not defined. But I just defined it, I typed it on line 70. Oh, but it's not defined. It's typed, it's used, but it's not defined. So to define a variable, you have to set it equal to something. And nowhere above line number 70, where I tried to make use of it, nowhere did we see a line of code that says white on red equals something. So I need to add that. And where would be the appropriate place to add a new constant named white on red? Any volunteer to answer that? Where would be a good logical place to put white on red, line number wise? Patrick? Yeah, let's go to line 51 just because I'll tack it on to the bottom, but same general idea. And I want red on white, or was it white on red? I forget. Or white, I totally forget what color. I imagined white on red. So back up to line number 51. White on red is what I meant to type there. And I'm setting it equal to white plus red background. White on red. And because white on red is being set equal to, or it's plugging in for the variable name theme, everything else is just going to work. Let's check it out here. It did. It worked for me. So there's one simple change. I'm going to hit pause, take a break, and I will be right back. So now that we've successfully changed the background color to white on red, that theme is available for use to other students if I share this link and with following my teacher and school district's rules and just good ethics and not plagiarizing something or submitting a project for somebody else. You can always copy that link and show off this nice combination that you have. Okay, other things you can do with color that relate to that theme idea. The player itself right now is a mouse emoji. By commenting out the player and bringing into play line number 81, the player now going forward when I click run next is going to be the red letter M, but the theme shows up then after that. So that just made the M be red on top of red. So I'm changing the color red now to something, well, a little bit more holiday-like, patriotic, I would say. Blue, I'm changing it to blue. Running the program fresh, the letter M is blue because blue came right before the M, but then because of the plus theme, everything to the right of the M is back to the normal theme that I had. So it's all from left to right, order of operations that allows you to mix and match colors in this way in this program because I went and I typed out all the colors up here at the top in the documentation. Any questions regarding theme colors? Because the video is about to end otherwise. Okay, see you all. I'm going to now look over this, and I don't see anything else that I need to stress. So have a great day.